Well, going up on this today is Friday. My son, I look a scuffle or something, sleep with my fan. Always, I'm not turn it off for a while. Anyway, today video is gonna be on Nicki Minaj and Skillibeng. But most of all, what I think the people who are dragging Skillibeng and calling him liar publicly, I think you should apologize to Skillibeng publicly as well. Alright, on to the video.
I'm sorry that I was late, you guys. Is everybody here? Okay. Well, you guys, I don't have a lot of time. So first things first is that this is the 12-year anniversary of Beam Me Up Scotty mixtape, and a lot of you have been with me for so freaking long, repping me, holding me down when I'm not around. Y'all be going hard for me. Love you to death. So because this is the 12-year anniversary, we thought that we would do something special. I have never ever in life put my mixtapes on streaming services. A lot of people have done that, and I've never done it. So what we're doing tonight is we are putting Beam Me Up Scotty for the first time ever on streaming services. There might be like 2 or 3 songs that didn't make the cut for whatever reason. But yeah, so for the most part, the whole tape is gonna be on streaming services now for you guys. I wonder what was y'all favorite Beam Me Up Scotty song? Cause I was recently listening to it, and you know what I can't stop playing? I can't stop playing Envy, and I can't stop playing Best I Ever Had, and I can't stop playing Go Hard. Of course, Itty Bitty Piggy, Slumber Party. Yeah. So those were. Did you have a favorite?
All of them are my favorite.
You
can't pick one.
Chat by. Okay. Well, those were my favorite. I was listening to them recently. So shout out to, DJ Holiday. he did my tape back then. Shout out to Deb, Gucci Man, the whole Atlanta that was repping me at that time. Thank you guys. And yeah, so a lot of people showed me love on that tape, which I'm very happy about. Of course, Dwayne Carter is on there. He showed me lots of love. Drake, love you too, Def Drake. Thank you for showing me love on that. I don't know who else was on there, but anyway. So having said that, so because I knew if I would just re-release the mixtape without putting out anything new, I knew y'all would cuss me the fuck out. So what I did was I did a couple new joints for the mixtape. So it's not, I know y'all was asking me, where's the cover art and this and that, and this, number one, this ain't no TikTok shit. This ain't no TikTok thing, you understand? So I appreciate you guys for caring about that, but this is just to get back to the basics a little bit, to the essence of why I started rapping. I started rapping because I love listening to people that spit. Like, I love punchlines. That was always my favorite thing, and always made people like my favorite artist because of that. So I'm sorry, y'all, that my nose is running. So we wanted to add a couple other things to get you guys excited about the re-release of the mixtape. And so what I did was I added a couple joints. So I did a remix to Crocodile Teeth, and then I did a record called Fractions on an OJ beat. and I did another song. This is actually on an original beat, but it's, you know, in the freestyle vibe. It's still, you know, freestyle type things. So that's all in preparation of, you know, of course I'm working on the album for you guys. Hi Halle Berry. I'm working for the album. I might have looked upon a couple new little things for the album yesterday too. So the album is coming soon. The documentary is as well. I'm really excited for you guys to see the documentary. I know you're gonna love it. Hi Beanie Man, I love you. But no, you guys, I didn't want you to be thinking about this as some, oh my God, we gotta, you know, this is Nicki's lead single. No, to answer your questions, because I saw a lot of you guys asking that on Twitter. It's not. But it is very, very important. So, a couple things. Hi Mingli. Hi Courtney. A couple things. Papa Bear is doing great. I love Papa Bear. Yesterday, Papa Bear said, I mean, two days ago, he said, "Mama." It was so funny. He said, "Mama." And I happened to be recording him. I was like, "Say it." And he kept on saying, "Mama, mama." And he was like yelling at me because I didn't realize he was saying it a bunch of times until I went back and played the video. And I said, "Oh, I see why my little baby was yelling at me, because Mama wasn't hearing him saying mama all them times." And yes, so he said mama. I might put that out because it's so cute. But then on the other hand, on the other hand, it's, you know, it's like my baby, and I don't know yet. I'm so overprotective. I'm, you know, I'm Mama Bear. So those are the 3 joints. If you are on my mailing list, I did a really dope little letter for you guys that you will get. You will get a letter from me. It's going over a few things that just went down in the last few months for me. As always, I have to tell you guys that I fucking love you so much. Hi Tamar. Because you always make me feel happy. Even when I stay away for a long time, you always make me feel happy. This little hiatus was really fun because I was, you know, in mommy mode, but also I went through like this crazy little writer's block for a second. And if you are an artist, no matter what you do, like, you know how crazy it is when all of a sudden, like, you can't really flex your art the way you used to. So I did go through a little bit of writer's block, and I was like, damn. And then all of a sudden, I got, you know what? I hit Drake and I asked him, I was like, "Yo, I'm doing this mixtape. Who got the hottest shit out right now? Who should I jump on? Blah, blah, blah." And he was like, "Here." So he sent me something. So that's one of the things that you will hear tonight. It's called Seeing Green. That was, Drake sent it to me and asked me to get on. Oh, you got the nerve to be on my live, Drake? You better call me right the fuck now. It's going down. The GOAT is on the motherfucking line. What's up, the GOAT? Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. Can you see my snot coming down?
No, but you need some tissue. You guys have some tissue?
Y'all, my snot is coming down because right before I got on live, I got a really beautiful surprise that I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to tell you guys about it, but it was so sweet. I just couldn't stop crying. So after I did my makeup, I had to redo a little bit under my eyes and my nose because someone that I fucking love so much sent me the most sentimental, meaningful, beautiful thing, card and flowers and stuff like that. But when I read the card, it made me super, super emotional. But so how can I call Champagne Papi? Cause he getting on this live. Y'all tell me how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Y'all know I'm dumb.
You gotta find his name.
You gotta find his name.
Tell him to write something.
Yeah.
He probably gonna hide now. He like, bitch, I ain't say all of that now. Where he at?
He gotta write something and we hit his name.
And they told me not to do it like this too, but I wasn't planning on adding anybody. Drake, type because I'm adding you. You can't run away. You've already shown yourself. And it's moving. It's so many people that I can't even pinpoint it. And this happened. This always happened, child.
Yeah, that's a lie. He's not even commenting.
Well, if I pause it and text, can I, will they still be there or will I come off of it?
They'll still be there if you pause it.
Yeah, can they wait for a second?
Yeah, you wanna do it?